Hey everybody, Reed Bidgood here, project management instructor at Dion Training, along with data analysis. It's a really broad career field. The bottom line up front is you're delivering value to people, and projects can really be anything. Now, we're going to be focusing on IT project management specifically because guess what? That's what Project Plus is about, and that's what's on the top of my head, at least right now. But delivering value to folks. Project management can be anything from planning a birthday party for your kid to delivering a new software update for your organization to planning a wedding. It's really just so broad. But at the end of the day, you're looking at requirements, you're then creating a plan, and then you have your budget, scope, identifying how you're going to go and carry that plan out, and then you deliver something that's beneficial.
Yeah, I think that's a great example. And we can do this in all areas of the world. And Project Plus is specifically IT project management. But honestly, all the things you learn are the exact same for whatever project management you want to do. The other two courses that we teach with project management that are our two big ones is Prince 2 and Prince 2 Agile. In Prince 2, we're really focused on waterfall methods, which are very structured and linear approaches. Whereas when you go into Agile, that's more what we do in software development and app development, where you can change things on the fly. So I'll give you a couple of examples. We want to talk about some experiences we've had in project management. Probably the biggest project I ever worked on was back when I was in the Navy. I was the IT director for a ship. And on that ship, we were getting the entire network ripped off the ship and replaced. And so as we did that, it was about a $30 million project. It took us 9 months. And we ripped off every single wire because that system was originally wired with Cat5 cabling back in 1986 when they first built that ship. And so we had to rip every wire off, rerun fiber to every single desktop across 3,000 endpoints, update all the routers, the switches, the firewalls. And it wasn't even just as easy as turning off the network and ripping it out and replacing it over 9 months, because we had operational units there. We had 1,200 sailors that still needed to access the internet and do their daily job on the unclassified, secret, and top secret networks. So we actually had to bring in a barge and build a temporary network there first, move everybody off our ship onto the barge, and then we had to go and do all the work on the ship. And then at the end of that 9 months, move everybody from the barge back to the ship. And that meant all the data had to be migrated, all the connections had to be migrated, all the equipment had to be migrated. It was a huge, massive deal. And if I told any of you listening right now, I want you to go do this, it would be a really hard thing to do, right? You have to plan this out into phases. You have to figure out how much it's going to cost in time, money, materials, and all of that. And that's really what project management is all about.